Let's talk about finding the average value of a function. Now, I know in your school calculus class, they've probably given you all kinds of complicated, weird-looking formulas, but the fact is, it's actually really simple. Here's all you really need to know about finding the average value of a function. First, you need to know what they're talking about. Finding the average value means finding the average y value of a function in a given range. So, for example, in this particular situation, the average value in this area from 0 to 3 of the function y equals x squared is the average height here. The average value, again, is the average y value, which is the average height. The other thing you need to know is that area equals base times height. If you're in calculus, you probably already know that. Finding the average value is just putting those two pieces together. It's really simple. Let's say I want to find the average value of y equals x squared between 0 and 3. There's basically two steps. First, I'm going to find the area under the curve from 0 to 3. To do that, you just use an integral. You take the integral from 0 to 3 of y equals x squared. That's going to give you the area. Now remember the second piece? Area equals base times height. Or, in this case, area equals the base times the average height. That's the only difference. If you want to find the average height or the average value, you're going to take the area, which is whatever you find here using an integral, and then divide it by the base, which in this case is 3. The length of this base is obviously 3. It's just like if someone asked you to find the height of a rectangle given the area and the length of the base. You just take the area and divide it by the base. It's the exact same thing here. To find the average height, you're going to take the area under the curve in that area and then divide it by the base.